Hi kids, ready to work with Miss A again? A, oops, A, Ms. A, chew. Remember, you have to say Say the chant with me. This is Ms. A. She has an chew. Ah, 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 ah. Ms. A. Chew. Today, you need to listen for the sound ah. If you hear the sound ah on your paper today, you will color that picture, okay? I want to share a couple pictures I have. This is the picture of an apple. Apple. Notice when I say apple, you hear my voice go ah. Say that. Apple. Apple starts with the sound ah. That's the first letter in the word, and I read it apple. Apple. Okay, that's your first one. Your second one is an ant. Ant is hard to hear the ah. It is an ant. 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 Ant starts with ah. Harder to hear than the word apple. There's the first letter, ant. Ant. That time, I didn't separate the sounds. First time I went ant, then I blended it. Ant. I made a sound till I was all the way through. Third time, ant. Ant and apple both start with ah. This word has a lot of letters, but this word starts with the sound ah. It is a picture of an alligator. If I called it a crocodile, that would belong to Mr. C. Okay? Alligator starts with ah. Say alligator. Do it with me. Alligator. I also know it's an alligator because on the card, I saw the first letter said ah. If I thought it was a crocodile, I might go, wait a sec, there's an ah there. Alligator. Alligator. Ah. I'm going to show your paper in just a second. Before I do that, you guys need to be experts at letters and sounds. Some of you already know most letters, but you could even be better. I always like to at school going, M. I say the name, then the sound. I'm going to go M, S, S, I know it's kind of fast. Please do it with me, okay? Ready? M, S, R, N, T, P, C, A, Good job, you guys. Okay, your work today. Let me get this paper out of the way. Your work today is a type of paper you've done before. This is the paper that is called Color by My Sound. But today, you are to color only the pictures that start with ah. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tell you the name of the pictures. You take your hand like this, hold it. If you hear ah, you pop your thumb up. If it starts with a different sound, pop your thumb down. I will show you if you got it right or wrong. and it's okay if you got it wrong. Remember, listen for ah, okay? Get your thumb out, put it away. Now, get ready. I will tell you the name of these pictures. You do thumb up or thumb down. Ready? Ant. The answer was up. Gift. G, g, g. You're right. Apple. Clock. Axe. Cat. Anchor. That was a hard one. Anchor. Most of us say anchor. It's really anchor. Did you hear the ah? I kind of hinted, didn't I? Drum. Last one is, I think it's an astronaut. Yep, astronaut. For a minute, I thought it was a boy. If I call it a boy or girl, it wouldn't. Boy, girl. If this person is in space, floating around with a spacesuit, that would be an astronaut. So, you need to look for the ones that start with ah. Some kids have even been writing the letters by the pictures. Ant. If I call it a present, I hear a P sound. If I call it a gift, I hear a G sound says g. So I'm not going to color it. Apple. Apple, I hear, of course, ah. Now, this is an alarm clock. I just called it a clock. Yeah, did you hear the letter C? Did you? Okay, I don't get to color it. Axe. Yeah, ah. It had that ah. That would be one that you would color. Okay? Cat. Ah, pretty easy. Colossal, cap, cat. Anchor is hard to hear it. Anchor. I'm just going to tell you, this is something that you would find on a ship or a boat, and they lower it down into the ocean or the water to keep the boat from floating away. It is called an anchor. Now, thumb out, get ready, thumb up or down. Drum. Drum. Down. Get ready, astronaut. Astronaut. You got it. Look for ah. The other ones you do not have to color. Okay? You're working on the sound ah. Sorry, drum, you don't get to go. Kids, have fun, and I'll see you guys later, okay? Keep working hard. Ah, 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 ah. Ms. A has an, hang on, I'm getting her. Achoo! Miss A, they gotta go. Bye, guys.